happiness relieves distress. The gentle rain of happiness puts out the burning fire of life, transports the soul beyond all strife. Past starry night and cool death, for those who give their living breath, upon their lips the holy name, in praise of he who came. To them a store of bliss is known, and hidden worlds to them are shown. Where love supreme fills every eye, sweet jubilation fills the sky. With dancing milkmaids and cowherd boys, play in forest green with joy. Of vale and jackfruit lily white, an endless full nectar night of dancing magic, loving smiles, and rosy hands of playful wiles. They sport in lotus lakes with thee, whose glances taste of ecstasy. Those who give their living bread, upon their lips the holy name, in praise of he who came. To them a store of bliss is known, and hidden worlds to them are shown.